Salut, je suis Alpha Blondie et je suis venu au festival d'Ithaca et ça a déchiré et c'est vraiment un climat et un environnement paradisiaque. Et Ithaca, c'est comme la vie, comme cette pomme, la vie, il faut la croquer.
Come on, let's walk on the Milky Way. Don't be afraid. God will lead us on the way. See, better days are coming ahead. And don't you feel desperate? There's a ribbon in the sky. Jah Rastafari. See the ribbon in the sky. That's the way Jah writes. I said, lightning in the sky. Jah Rastafari. See the lightning in the sky. That's the way Jah writes. Come on, let's walk on the Milky Way. Let's follow Jah way. Eternity is today. And you cannot be late.